using this scenario, $3,000 to $4,000. And what you get with a new system is you're going to get a 10-year manufacturer warranty on your new system. You get a 2-year labor warranty from Anthem on your new system, and we can extend that 2-year warranty up to 10 years. So you have a bumper-to-bumper manufacturer and labor warranty for 10 years through Anthem's new system program for an additional cost of $3,000, $3,000 to $4,000. So looking at that, you may say it's worth it. You may say it's not worth it, but for us to come out, show you the numbers, talk to you about your system, doesn't cost you anything, and we can take a look, help you make the right decision, give you the numbers and the information so you can make the right choice. Give us a call at Anthem Air Conditioning, Heating, and Plumbing. We'd love to help you out and make sure that you make the right choice for your home.